Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 search bar not working. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 search bar is not working, then I will show you some of the steps you can try and fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the task manager. Just right click on the taskbar in the bottom of the window, then click on task manager. In this, you just to scroll it down and find Windows Explorer. You can see Windows Explorer, right click and restart it. Then go to the details tab. In this, you need to find service host.exe. In my case, it is not showing. If in your case service host.exe is showing, you just need to right click on that, then click on end task, then click on end process. After that, just close this window and try to search anything on your search bar. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 search bar not working on your desktop or laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.